No one expected it to be this powerful. No one thought a camera at this price could deliver performance this smooth, this sharp, this cinematic. But then, Canon dropped the EOS R10 Mark II, and overnight, everything changed. Creators rushed to stores. Reviewers scrambled to test it. And competitors silently took notes. It's more than just a camera. It's a warning shot from Canon telling the industry. The mid-range game has a new ruler. With a blazing fast processor, next-gen autofocus, crisp 4K video, and rumored in-body stabilization, the R10 II doesn't just outperform its predecessor, it leaves it in the dust. Whether you're shooting high-speed action, cinematic vlogs, or run-and-gun content, this camera is already being hailed as the sweet spot between beginner-friendly and professional-ready. And in today's video, we uncover why the Canon EOS R10 II is being called the surprise hit of the year, and why everyone from YouTubers to wildlife shooters is rushing to get their hands on it. At the heart of the Canon EOS R10 II is a rumored 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, a substantial leap that puts this camera into near-pro level territory. This isn't just about more megapixels, it's about more information in every shot, more dynamic range, more cropping flexibility, more detail in low light. Picture this. You're shooting wildlife in early morning fog. The lighting is uneven. The subject is fast. But this new sensor, combined with Canon's cutting-edge Digic X processor, captures each feather, every flicker of movement, in stunning resolution. Whether you're a travel vlogger zooming into cityscapes or a portrait artist working with backlight, the R10 II gives you room to experiment without sacrificing clarity. Canon finally listened. The R10 II is expected to deliver uncropped 4K at 60 frames per second, oversampled from 6K. That means the sharpness is real, not digitally enhanced. It's the kind of video quality that used to be exclusive to full-frame giants. And now, it's in a lightweight APS-C body. Imagine filming a handheld cinematic sequence as your friend skateboards down a busy urban street. The background blurs, the lights flare, but the subject? Razor sharp. The 60 frames per second lets you slow the footage down just enough to make it feel surreal. This is where content creation becomes art, and the R10 II is the brush in your hand. One of the biggest reasons the original R10 got attention was its dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system. But now it's going even further, with rumors suggesting that the AI-powered subject detection system from the R8 and R7 is making its way into the R10 II. This camera might just be smarter than you expect. Real-world moment. You're filming your pet dog mid-run at a park. The background is chaotic, kids, grass, other animals. But the R10 II locks on instantly, tracking your dog's eye like a laser, never losing focus, even when it dashes behind a tree and back into frame. This autofocus isn't just fast, it's intelligent. It recognizes eyes, faces, animals, vehicles, and adapts in real time. You don't have to think, just frame, shoot, done. Now here's where the suspense rises. One of the most exciting whispers surrounding the R10 II is the possible addition of in-body image stabilization, IBIS, something the original R10 lacked. If Canon includes this, it would change the entire landscape for handheld shooters. Visualize a travel filmmaker walking through a crowded market in Istanbul, camera in hand, no gimbal. The colors are rich, the environment alive. And the footage? Butter smooth, no shake, no stutter. Just immersive, stabilized motion that feels like it was shot with professional gear. That's the kind of difference IBIS would make, and why the rumors are causing such a stir. In photography, timing is everything. And the Canon EOS R10 II isn't just fast, it's blisteringly fast, with expectations of up to 23 frames per second in electronic shutter mode. This isn't just a number, it's a feature that redefines what you can capture. Sports, wildlife, dance, street moments that disappear in a blink. You press the shutter once, and you've captured a story in frames. Each one sharp, focused, and usable. It's like turning seconds into chapters. The R10 II continues Canon's trend of keeping things compact. Rumors suggest it'll retain the same body size and ergonomics as the original R10, which means it's ultra-light, travel-friendly, and designed for comfort. But don't mistake light for weak. This body is built for creators on the move. Whether you're vlogging in Tokyo's night markets or hiking the Himalayas, the R10 II won't weigh you down, and it won't let you down either. Content creators are demanding. They need instant file transfers, stable live streaming, and batteries that don't quit halfway through a golden sunset. Canon has likely upgraded Wi-Fi and Bluetooth functionality for smoother connections, possibly even adding cloud backup options or webcam modes like the R50. And while official battery life details are still uncertain, early whispers suggest improved power management through software tweaks. YouTubers, live streamers, wedding shooters, this camera isn't just built for what you shoot. It's built for how you shoot. The most shocking part? Despite all this rumored power and advanced technology, the Canon EOS R10 II is still expected to be priced under $1,000 for the body only. That's not just surprising, it's a game changer. It sends a clear signal to the competition. Canon is not holding back. If they truly manage to pack such an impressive array of features, high-speed performance, advanced autofocus, and cutting-edge video capabilities into a body that remains this affordable, the R10 II could redefine the entry-level mirrorless market. It won't just be another camera. It will stand out as something rare and remarkable in the photography world. A tool that's not only accessible to beginners, but powerful enough for enthusiasts and even future-proof enough to grow with the user as their skills evolve, all at once. The Canon EOS R10 Mark II isn't loud. It doesn't shout for attention. It doesn't come wrapped in hype. But that's what makes it dangerous. Because quietly, calmly, it's reshaping what we expect from a mid-range mirrorless camera. It's the kind of release that doesn't just make headlines. It creates new standards. From stunning uncropped 4K to professional-grade autofocus, from lightning-fast bursts to a rumored leap into stabilization. This camera doesn't play catch-up. It breaks free. For beginner creators, it's an invitation to level up. For professionals, it's a secondary weapon with primary power. And for the entire industry, it's a message from Canon. We're not done yet. So, whether you're a filmmaker with a vision, a traveler with a story, or a dreamer holding a lens, ask yourself this. What would you create if your gear didn't hold you back? Because now it won't. If this breakdown gave you value, insight, or even a spark of creative inspiration, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the future of camera technology. Hit like if you're excited about the R10 II, and drop a comment below. Is this the next camera you're adding to your kit? Or did Canon just make you rethink your plans?